Make a great choice today with 2016 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.